Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash, and now we can trade this successfully. And if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. Today I'm going to explain to you how you can grow your small account to bigger accounts, how you can turn your $10 to $1,000 with this strategy. As you can see, I have my two windows in this video. This is my main chart and this is my second window, which is my strategy which I use to take this trade. As you can see, in this strategy I have my period, I have my level of 85 level and I have of 10 level, which is the two important level in this video. So you can see now a spike happen because it respects my strategy. So let me explain in this video how you can do this, how you can grow your small account to bigger accounts. And I want you to stay tuned with this video because I'm going to be sharing with you the secrets settings that you need to set up for your account. So I'm going to be sharing these strategy settings at the end of this video. As you can see in this video, this is my main chart. This strategy works on 1 minute time frames and it also works on 5 minute time frames. But let me first explain to you how this really works on 5 minute time frames. So all you need to do is to set up this strategy on your phone and begin to trade with this. You see, when my moving average respects the strategy and move to this level at my 10 level, then this is the right time for me to take the trade. As you can see now, it moved to this level, it's moved to my 10 level, and from there it happened that spike really take up the trade. So if you take this trade now, you will have know how much you will have make with this strategy. Let's check back. Also, you can use it to take a long sell for long time. You see, the strategy works on boom and crash, and it also works on every index. You see, it respects this angle, which it respects my 85 level, and all the moving average agree to meet on 85 level. So this strategy helped me to know when to enter the trade, and if you enter the trade in these times, then you will have take the trade down to this level with this strategy. So with this, you will have grow your $10 to $50 to $100 accounts in a day with this strategy. Let's check for more. You see, it also happened here. It respect my 10 level at this point. It respect my 10 level at this point. And if you have entered the trade by this level, you will have catch up the spikes in a little bigger way. You see that? So I told you it also works on on crash. Let's check crash 1000. So this is crash 1000. You see, on 5 minute time frames, you see that it really works on there. So all the moving average agree to respect my my 10 level, and also it also agreed to accept my 85 level for taking a long spikes, and a 10 level for taking a long buy. You see, from this level, if I enter the trade from this level, I will make a lot of profit with these strategies. Only this trade now, you will have turned your $10 to $20 with taking only this trade. And also, let's check for another, for the accurate. You see, this strategy is 99% accurate. You see, it respect my 85 level from this angle, and it take a lot of spikes down to this side. You see, with this strategy, you will have turned up your account to a greater account. You will have turned your small account to bigger account. So this will really help you as a beginner. So now let me show you the settings you need to set up on your phone. On my main chart, I don't have anything on my main chart. I only have all my strategy on in window 1. So indicator window 1, I have my RSI, which is the relative strength index. In relative strength index, I have my period to be 1000. I have applied to close. I have my styles to be in red color, which is the red color at the entrance of this, which is the red color here in this level. You see, that is my taking profits. You see, it will take that profit. That is my taking profits. So that is about RSI. Then the level of RSI is 10 and 85 level, which is my buy zone and my selling zone. Then you press on done. Then you move to the moving average. First moving average, you set up your parameter to period of 2. The shift is 0, and your method, make sure it also be in this. So apply to just screenshot this settings and set it up on your on your phone. After it, then press done. Then move to the second moving average. The same settings, only the period is changing. Put it in period of 1 and have the same settings. Screenshot it, have the same settings, then click on done. Then move to the third moving average. The third moving average is 3, period of 3, the same settings, then press on done. Then the last moving average, which is the period of 4, then the settings is the same thing with the other settings, then press on done. So with this, you will have the strategy on your phone. You will have this strategy on your charts. So you can use this to grow up your accounts. You can use this to trade daily. And also, if you are beginners and you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop an important video like this, for you to grow up your account from 0 to greater amount. And also, I also have my Telegram link below this video description. You can join my Telegram link for free signal.